Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for November 2024. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description. At sa pinned comment, pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, so let's see, Taurus, what's coming to you November 2024 for Taurus. Okay, so you have Wunyo, you have Perthro, and Dagas. Wow, okay. So, Taurus, I see you that you will focus on loving yourself, taking care of yourself, practicing self-love, self-care, ayan, with the energy of Dagas. Kumbaga, may mga bagay or tao, sitwasyon na inaalagaan ka, but this time, ngayong November, you will focus on yourself. Kasi alam mo na nagawa mo na yung responsibility mo sa iba. Ngayon, yung responsibility mo naman sa sarili mo ang bibigyan mo ng attention. And this will bring you so much joy. Magiging masaya ka. Let's say, for example, alagaan mo yung sarili mo. You will go to a salon, have a haircut or new style na kung saan magiging maganda yung kalalabasan ng bago mong hairstyle. And syempre, you will gain confidence na parang mas magtitiwala ka sa sarili mo. You feel good about yourself. So that will bring joy to you. Kumbaga, magra-radiate yan sa'yo na meron kang certain aura na parang ang saya-saya mo, even just for a simple haircut. Yung mga ganon. Because mas pinili mo na alagaan yung sarili mo. So that's why it's very important to take care of ourselves. Some of you will also enjoy yung mga company ng ibang tao, like your friends, your family, going for a vacation, doing things na yung mga fun things, the fun things to do. Example, pagpunta sa isang concert or pagpunta sa isang amusement park, no? You're going to heal your inner child. Yung mga ganong bagay. So, you will enjoy yung mga simple pero masasayang activities together with the people you love. Okay? Ngayong November. And Perthro is about learning, about knowledge. Some of you are very spiritual. Maaring meron kayong spiritual na trabaho or yung career ninyo, or you're doing energy healing, spiritual work, spiritual teaching. You will improve your skills, your abilities. Mas lalo mo pang gagalingan. Ayan. And maaaring yung iba sa inyo, may mga knowledge kayo ngayon na gusto pang i-acquire para mas mapabuti nyo pa or mapagaling nyo pa yung inyong abilities. Can be sa trabaho nyo, sa business, or sa inyong career. Let's see what else for Taurus, November 2024. The moon, timing, ayan. So, ngayon, very patient ka sa galawan mo. Kung baga, ano man yung mga decision making mo, ita-timing mo siya. Hindi ka magpapadalos-dalos. Lahat ng decision mo, pinag-isipan mo, at gagawin mo siya sa panahon na sa tingin mo ay magkakaroon ng magandang resulta para sa'yo. So, andun yung patience mo na, teka, hindi ko muna to gagawin kasi alam ko na hindi siya magiging beneficial for me, no? Yung mga ganon. So, timing is really essential for you. Maaari ring meron ka mga rituals na gagawin during the full moon or new moon or moon rituals that will help you manifest yung mga desires mo. Kaya yung iba sa inyo, very spiritual din. You have gratitude, elephant. Ayan, so yung iba sa inyo, magiging thankful and grateful for the blessings na natatanggap ninyo, which is dapat naman talaga na yan yung ating ipipractice kasi the more grateful you are for the blessings that you have, the more na maa-attract mo rin yung blessings. Kasi na-sense na yung energy mo ng universe na, oh, masaya siya sa natatanggap niya, contented siya. So then, I'm going to give this person more blessings. So, yun yung importante. And some of you, maaring meron kayong reregaluhan, no? Parang a token of appreciation or love for someone na naging sandalan mo, someone who comforted you, someone who has always been supporting you. Let's say your parents, your friend na hindi ka iniiwan. So, andun yung parang pagtanaw ng utang na loob or pag-appreciate sa mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo. And of course, maraming mga bagay na masasaya kang may experience. Some of you, isa sa fun things na gagawin nyo ay attend kayo ng isang parang comedy show. Or, ang tawag doon, yung mga stand-up comedians, yan. Yung iba naman, you will focus on the things that makes you laugh. Yung parang mga bagay na nagpapasaya sa'yo, matatawa ka. Minsan, yung mga video sa YouTube, sa TikTok, yan, na nakakapagpasaya sa atin, yun yung parang nakakabawas ng stress, no? Na imbes na namumroblema tayo, nawawala yung energy ng pamumroblema, kaya nagagawa natin ng solusyon agad. 'Di ba? So, let's see what else. You have the 5 of Cups. Some of you are, finally moving on from a situation na sa tingin mo is wala ka ng control. Okay? Of course, may regrets ka kasi maaring merong mga bagay na sa tingin mo na miss out mo, hindi mo ginawa, or mga bagay na nagawa mo na pinagsisisihan mo. But, I see you learning from that. You are learning the lesson from that. And you are moving on. At kung ano yung meron ka ngayon, yun yung dala-dala mo para sa new beginnings mo or new endeavors mo. You also have the moon, no? Ang lakas ng moon sa inyo kasi dalawa na yung moon energy. So, I think you're going to be very sensitive. Sensitive when it comes to your instinct, your intuition, or your feelings. Okay? Maaring you can be emotional during this time. Kaya mas pipiliin mo ngayon yung mga bagay na, masasaya, exciting, something that will make your heart happy. Okay? You have the 5 of Pentacles. Challenge ito sa inyong finances. Be careful sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan ninyo pagdating sa pera. Kasi pwedeng meron dito na mag-disappoint sa inyo when it comes to money. Pwedeng umutang, hindi magbayad, or may kunin na pera sa inyo or any material things sa inyo. So, be careful dun sa mga pagkakatiwalaan nyo. You also have the 2 of Swords. Merong major decision for you ngayong November. This can be decision na kung ano yung ili-let go mo, ano yung finally susubukan mo, na sisimulan mo. You have the 6 of Cups. Yung iba sa inyo major decision nyo is about can be a person from the past. Kung bibigyan nyo ng chance yung person na to, or you're finally letting go of them. Okay? Yung iba naman, maaring ang decision na to ay may kinalaman dun sa mga dati mong ginawa or mga dati mong, let's say, trabaho, business or career na iniisip mo, ano kaya gawin ko ulit yon or balikan ko kaya ulit yon. Okay? So, you have the strength, the stamina to make things happen for your plans ngayong November. Ang importante dyan is, you know what you want, no? Alam mo kung ano yung gusto mo, and alam mo rin yung reason kung bakit gusto mo yon. Kasi minsan, gusto lang natin. Bakit? Kasi gusto natin sumabay sa uso, or nakita natin sa friend natin na ganito, maganda yon. But, you have your own reason na aalamin mo the deeper why, kung bakit. Meron talaga ritong optical illusion. I feel like merong bagay sa ngayong November 2024 na kung saan marireveal sa'yo. This can be an intention of a person or intention ng person sa buhay mo, kung maganda ba yung intentions niya towards you. Pwedeng you might feel disappointed with this person, but at least malalaman mo agad, no? Kumbaga, that's the way of the universe to protect you from this person. Kasi kaysa naman na in the end, mas malaki yung problema na maibigay niya sa'yo. Too much concern with sexual matters. So, some of you, you are dealing with a person na parang ang gusto lang is pleasure sa'yo or sexual connection. Maaring yun yung marirealize mo. Discord among family and friends. So, I also see na pwedeng isa sa malapit sa'yo, can be a family or a friend, na pwedeng dito kayo magkakaroon ng issue or struggle when it comes to trust issues. Kasi pwedeng may mga bagay na hindi mo gusto about this person, or merong bagay na hindi nila gusto towards you na pwedeng mag-create ng conflict, and it may result na magkaroon kayo ng parang separate lives. Done. Dare to be the first, dare to be different. Wow. So, for some of you, meron kayong gagawin, like something pioneer, no? Bagay na ikaw yung mauuna, ikaw yung makakaisip. So, whatever this is na naiisip mo, can be a business or a new endeavor, gawin mo siya dahil this will lead you to success, lalo na kung ikaw talaga yung mauuna dyan. Okay? So, whatever this is, kung ikaw ay nakaka-resonate, do it because this will bring success sa buhay mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. Bye!